Hi friends, welcome to Homelearn. This is a new video. First, let's introduce the topic. Nowadays, coronavirus is spreading everywhere. The doctor's best choice for defeating corona is immunity. We can improve our immunity by taking vitamins. Let us see the top 3 vitamins by which we can improve our immunity. First, vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the biggest immune system boosters of all. Lack of vitamin C can even make you sick. Now let's see the high sources of vitamin C. Papaya. Papaya is rich in flavonoids, B vitamins and carotenes, and the minerals copper, potassium, manganese and fiber. Guava. Highly nutritious guava is abundant in vitamin C. It is also rich in vitamin A, protein, fiber and folate. Third, blackcurrant. Blackcurrant is well loaded with vitamin C. It also contains phenolic flavonoid and phytochemicals, which has the ability to prevent aging, cancer, inflammation and other neurological disorders. Orange. Orange is powerhouse of vitamin C and other minerals such as thiamine, folate and potassium. Fifth, pineapple. Pineapple is well endowed in vitamin C. It also contains vitamin B1, vitamin B6, copper, dietary fiber, folate and phytothenic acid. Sixth, grapes. Grapes is rich in vitamin C. It also contains vitamin K, many of B vitamins and copper. 7. Mango. Mango contains plenty amount of vitamin C. It also naturally enriched with minerals, fiber and antioxidants. 8. Broccoli. Broccoli is well loaded with vitamin C and also contains dietary fiber, vitamin B6. Vitamin E. Manganese, phosphorus, choline, phenolic acid, vitamin B1 and vitamin A. Cauliflower. High nutritious cauliflower contains vitamin C in high amounts. It also provides protein, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, manganese and phosphorus. Strawberry. Strawberry is rich in vitamin C. It also contains manganese, folate, which is B9 and potassium. Now let's go to the second one. Vitamin B6. Here are some foods rich in vitamin B6. Milk. Milk is rich in vitamins nutrients. It helps in building strong bones and developing good immunity. Vitamin B6 has good amounts of milk. Milk also helps in nourishing the body with all required nutrients. Ricotta cheese. This is the second one. This food is rich in vitamin B6, used with most of the Italian cookers and is a good source of vital nutrients. The way it is processed makes it unique from all cheeses. Third one, salmon. This is delicious tasting fish, houses for many varieties of nutrients, especially vitamin B6. It can be cooked in many ways. Chicken and eggs are also a good source for vitamin B6. Now let's see the third one. Vitamin E. Now let's see the top nutritious foods of vitamin E. Spinach, sweet potato, almonds, pine nuts, wheat germ, Brazil nuts, olive oil, sunflower seeds, rainbow trout, it is a type of fish, avocado, butter spinach. Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated. Subscribe for support.